Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your account on the Goodreads application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and now tap on the more icon down below, which is the last option. Click on settings, tap on the first one, account settings. Now click on the first option, account. Here, as you can see, you can edit your username, your email address and your password as well. And you can also connect your account to your Facebook account by clicking on this connect button. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.